Tranky do, second week, Uptown Swing, Val, in that order.
Person coming in the door, and
So, first thing I want to show before I dance the thing, we worked on Shorty George's, and we kind of worked through it by first just walk, walk, walk. You can always just do that. Then the setup was kick, ball change, walk, walk, walk. And then we added that little knee wobble, so it was kick, ball change, ha, 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 ha. So work on that much. Now, the whole part that we did boogie back, Shorty George's, and so on. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where we ended, kind of in the middle of the thing, but we'll continue next week.